Artificial intelligence is beginning to move beyond simple interaction. For the past few years, it has largely existed in the form of chat interfaces, answering questions, generating text, assisting with small tasks. That phase is now evolving. Perplexity AI has introduced a feature called Computer on Android devices. This should not be mistaken for another update, not at all. It represents a shift in how users interact with software. The system is designed not only to respond, but to carry out tasks on behalf of the user itself. Most digital workflows today are fragmented. Multiple applications open at once, repeated inputs, constant switching between tabs and tools. We've all suffered that. The process is time-consuming and often inefficient. Perplexity's system attempts to streamline that very experience. So instead of issuing multi-commands, a user can define a broader objective. So let's take an example. Track a set of applications over time, build a structured report, analyze a competitive landscape. The system then works through the required steps. It gathers information, organizes outputs, presents results, and the role of the user shifts from operator to now supervisor. This capability is made possible by coordinating multiple AI models working together. Tasks are broken into smaller components. Different processes run simultaneously. Outputs are combined into a single result. The system does not operate instantly. Complex tasks take time, but they do not require constant oversight, which is a good thing. Progress can be monitored while the system continues working in the background. Until recently, this type of capability was largely limited to desktop environments. The move to Android changes that completely. Tasks can begin on one device and continue on another. A workflow started on a laptop, per se, can be tracked on a phone. The system continues processing even when the user is no longer actively engaged. This introduces a different relationship with personal devices. They are no longer only tools for performing work. They are actually very quickly becoming interfaces for directing it. At present, access is limited. The feature is available to premium Max users. The subscription is priced at approximately $167 per month, or around 15,000 rupees. For many users, this places it firmly in the category of specialized or professional use. Availability in India also remains inconsistent, which raises a very practical question. How quickly can this become accessible at scale? What is changing here is not only the interface, it is the role of software itself. So instead of responding to individual commands, systems are beginning to handle sequences of actions, from input to execution to now delivery. This reduces the need for constant user intervention, and it changes expectations. Users describe outcomes, systems work through the steps. And here, of course, is the front page take. This development points to a broader transition. Personal devices are beginning to function less as tools for manual work and more as systems that manage and execute tasks. The change will take time to become widespread for sure. Cost, access, and reliability will shape adoption. But the direction is becoming crystal. The focus is shifting from interaction to execution. And the question now is not whether this model will expand, but how quickly it becomes part of everyday work. Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.